Swimming is the fourth most popular activity in the United States. But why? Regular swimming can do you a lot of good. Watch this video on parshealthTV to learn more about the benefits of swimming and how to incorporate swimming into your routine. Works your whole body. One of the most significant benefits of swimming is that it really works your entire body from head to toe. Get the heart rate up without straining your body. Muscle toning. Increase strength. Build endurance. You can use different strokes to vary your swim workouts, including backstroke, breaststroke, side stroke, freestyle, butterfly. Each person focuses on a different muscle group, and the water provides gentle resistance. No matter what stroke you swim, you use most of your muscle groups to move the body through the water. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. Works your insides, too. When your muscles get a good workout, so does your cardiovascular system. Swimming strengthens the heart and lungs. Swimming is so excellent for you that researchers believe it may even decrease your risk of death. Swimmers reduce the risk of death by about half compared to inactive people. Some other research suggests that swimming can help lower blood pressure and control blood sugar. It is appropriate for individuals with injuries, arthritis, and other conditions. It is important to get your doctor's approval before starting or resuming an exercise program. Swimming is a safe exercise choice for most people with arthritis, disability, injury, other problems that make high-impact exercises difficult. Swimming can even help reduce pain or increase recovery from an injury. One study found that patients with osteoarthritis reported significantly less joint pain and stiffness and less physical limitation after participating in activities such as swimming and cycling. More interestingly, there was little difference between the two groups. Therefore, swimming appears to have many of the same benefits that are often identified on land. If you enjoy non-swimming water activities, try these water activities for people with arthritis. A good option for individuals with asthma. The humid environment of indoor pools makes swimming an excellent activity for patients with asthma. Not only that, but breathing exercises linked with exercise, such as breath holding, can help expand lung capacity and control breathing. Some studies suggest that swimming may increase the risk of developing asthma due to chemicals used in swimming pool treatments. If you have asthma, discuss the potential risks of swimming with your doctor and, if possible, look for a pool that utilizes salt water instead of chlorinated water. Beneficial for individuals with MS, too. For people with multiple sclerosis, MS, swimming can also be beneficial. Water guides the limbs and helps support them during movement. Water also provides gentle resistance. In one study, a 20-week swimming program significantly reduced pain in people with MS. These people also improved symptoms such as fatigue, depression, and disability. Torches calories. Swimming is an excellent way to torch calories. A 160-pound person burns about 423 calories per hour swimming at a slow to moderate pace. The same person can burn as much as 715 calories per hour swimming at a faster pace. A 200-pound person doing the same activity would burn between 528 and 892 calories per hour. A 240-pound person can burn between 632 and 1068. Comparing these numbers to other popular low-impact activities, the same 160-pound person walking at 3.5 miles per hour for 60 minutes would only burn about 314 calories. Yoga can burn just 183 calories per hour. The elliptical can only burn 365 calories in that hour. Improves your sleep. Swimming can help you sleep better at night. In a study of older adults with insomnia, participants reported improvements in quality of life and sleep after regular aerobic exercise. Nearly 50% of older adults experience some form of insomnia, so this is good news. The study focused on all forms of aerobic exercise, including the elliptical, stairmaster, cycling, pool, and exercise videos. Swimming is acceptable for people with many physical problems that make other sports such as running less attractive. This can make swimming a good option for older adults who want to improve their sleep. Boosts your mood. Researchers evaluated a small group of dementia patients whose mood improved after participating in a 12-week aquatic program. Swimming and water exercise provide more than just psychological benefits for people with dementia. Exercise has been shown to improve mood in other people. Helps manage stress. Researchers studied a group of swimmers before and after swimming at a YMCA in New Taipei City, Taiwan. Of the 110 individuals surveyed, 44 said they were mildly depressed and felt stressed by their fast-paced lives. After swimming exercises, the number of people who still noted feeling tense dropped to 8. Although more research is required in this area, the researchers concluded that swimming is a potentially effective way to reduce stress quickly. Safe during pregnancy. Pregnant women and their babies can also reap some wonderful benefits from swimming. In an animal study, it was shown that swimming a mother mouse changed the brain development of her offspring. It may even protect babies from a neurological problem called hypoxia ischemia, but more research is needed. In addition to the potential benefits for your baby, swimming is an activity that can be done in all 3 trimesters. Another study found no adverse effects of swimming in chlorinated pools during pregnancy. In fact, pregnant women who swam in the 1st to 2nd trimester had a lower risk of premature birth and birth defects. Note that although swimming during pregnancy is generally considered safe, some women may experience activity limitations due to pregnancy complications. Before starting a new exercise program during pregnancy, talk to your doctor about safe steps to take if complications arise. Great for kids, too. Children need at least 60 minutes of aerobic activity every day. Swimming is a fun activity that doesn't always feel like a formal workout. Your child can take structured swimming lessons or participate in a swim team. Affordable. Swimming can also be an affordable exercise option compared to other sports such as cycling. Many pools offer reasonable entry fees. Some public schools and other centers offer swim time for free or on a sliding scale based on your income. Risks. Swimming is safe for most people. Like any exercise, swimming has its risks. Always consult your doctor before swimming if you have been injured or have a special medical condition. In general, it's best to consult your doctor when starting a new exercise program. For example, people with skin conditions such as psoriasis may be more prone to irritation in chlorinated pool water. Your doctor is your best resource for a unique guide to your health. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.